Soldier going to get his toy. It's the Soldier de Britain. He is sold. Come on, Soldier. Good boy. You got your toy? That's your favorite tug? Good boy. Come here. Good boy. You're prancing. You're proud of that toy. Got it, Soldier? Huh? Have you got it? He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty soldier. Beautiful dog. He's out of Nevin, Lipperland, and Quasibetto de Britain. Soldier. Hey, boy. Good boy. You got it? Good boy. Come on. Atta boy. Right in front of me, aren't you? Soldier. Come on, buddy. Come on, Soldier. Good boy. Come on. That's a good boy. Right to me. Good boy. Can't video you under my feet, but you minded. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Where's your toy? Go get your toy, Soldier. Go get it. Where is it? Where's your toy, buddy? Come on. Ready? Ready? Soldier. Go get it. Good boy, Soldier. It's a little bit dark under these trees, and it's so hot already. I'm gonna get a little video for you of him. He's doing great in the house. Just wanted to get you some video. I told you I would. We've just been so busy. Ready, Soldier? Ready? 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 Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Come on.